Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to the scrapyard. Um, yeah, I did do a bench reset last week. And it kind of wiped me out, man. I spent most of last week flat on my back. Sprained my back a little bit. And I've had back problems for forever, man. I was kind of halfway expecting it. I just didn't expect it to be quite as bad as what it was. But you see, I got a lot more room. Um, a little update on this thing today. It's been taking up space on my workbench for only most of a year now. I was going to try to do a fade, because it was yellow. I was going to try to do a fade with this transparent red nail polish I got, and I screwed it up. And ended up painting the whole thing, but it's about done. I just got to decal it, and add a few more little details. Got to paint the firewall, and like I said, I had it taped up because it was yellow, and I was trying to do a fade, man. And, haven't done one yet that I didn't have to end it. That I didn't end up painting the whole car. But I'll eventually get it. Uh, just a bunch of it's the AMT 33 Willys uh, wagon. You can tell. And to tell you the truth, I don't know what's parts box, what's parts kit. It's got that front end that does not fit right. What's needed is to make a new hinge for it, because where it's got the hinge point for it is too far forward and too low. So you put it on there, and it goes down here like this. Well, if I can get it in there, that's another thing. It really don't have anything holding it in. Just a little friction fit on a couple little pins. See, and then that's where it's supposed to be, but it fits too far forward, and that's the reason it doesn't want to line up. Now you do what I did and put a little strip of stock around there, and it helps some. But I think what I want to do is just have it be a lift off. I want to improve the way it sits in the front a little bit, and just have it lift off, because I want to put a moon tank or something up front anyway. I mean, make it like a C altered, or maybe a B altered. But I've got some decals for it. Next time you see it, it's going to be the bad news. Um, yeah, I decided I got all this crap on my bench half started and everything. I'm gonna try to clear some of it off. I've got that, and I'm bringing this one back out. I got to do it, finish it up. I forget what the hold up on it was. It's my flip front 40 Ford pickup. But yeah, it's about all there. I mean, it's about finished, man. All I got to do is put an engine in it, and yeah, that's about it. Finish painting it, painting the tonneau cover. I like his tonneau cover though, man. It's made of full. Oh, and I gotta have a shout out for Paul over at Older and Dirt Scale Models. He sent me a kit. I ain't no telling how many days I sat down in the package room. I didn't know it was down there. He sent me this duster kit. Oh, excuse me. He'd had a parts kit that he was going to send to me, right? But he sent it to the wrong person, and so out of goodness of his heart, I told him he didn't have to. He bought me a brand new complete kit and sent it to me. I mean, I don't know what to say. You know, this other than thank you, man. You know, this you didn't have to do that though. But I'll put it to good use. Um, let's see what else we got. Um, yeah, like I said, lots more room for me to act. Lots more room for me to clutter up out here now, though. It's a lot better, man. It's a little bit longer and good 8 inches wider than it was before. So um, that's about all I got for right now. Like, subscribe, share, um, leave a comment, tell your buddy about it. As always, have a good day and good night. Take care of yourself. Be nice to each other. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye.